Welcome back to Tech Stack. In this episode, we'll cover Angular signals and how they work. Let's jump in. First of all, I will tell you what signals are. How many types are there? How can we define them? And how can we initialize a value inside them? How can we update their value? We will also create an example to understand signals. A signal is similar to a normal property. It stores a value in the same way. For example, when you create a normal property, say count, and assign it a value like 20, it holds that value. But in the case of signal, there's an extra step. First, you need to import the signal function from Angular's core package. Then you define the signal and assign it a value. To update the value of a signal, you use its special set function. With a normal property, you can just assign a new value directly and it updates. Simple, but that leads to a question. If we can use normal properties, why should we use signals? Well, signals are reactive. That means whenever a signal's value changes, the change automatically triggers updates wherever that signal is used. For instance, imagine you have a signal called count with a default value of 20. If you change its value to 30, a signal is sent throughout the application. Wherever that signal is being used, it will automatically update. Additionally, there's a function called effect in Angular. If you're using it, it will detect the change in the signal and let you perform any action in response. So when a signal's value changes, you can, for example, call a function or redirect to another page, anything you want, and Angular will handle it reactively. In simple terms, a signal is a wrapper around a value, and whenever that value changes, it gives off a signal, letting your app know something changed so it can react accordingly. Writable signals hold a value that you can update using methods like set or update. Computed signals automatically calculate their value based on other signals. You can't directly modify a computed signal. It's read-only. They're great for deriving dynamic values from writable signals. First, we define a signal variable. As you can see, it's automatically imported from Angular Core. We created normal variable and assigned default value to 20. When displaying a regular variable, we use interpolation with just the variable name. However, for a signal variable, we have to use parentheses because it's accessed like a function. To update a signal variable from the HTML, we use the set function, which allows us to assign a new value. Next, we'll check how the effect function behaves. If we change a regular variable, nothing happens. But if we update a signal variable, the effect gets triggered automatically. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more content like this.